Kimi is a generative AI tool that you can access free of cost. To access Kimi, what you need to do is go to a browser of your choice and then simply go to kimi.com. And once you do that, you directly get onto this interface and then you can start interacting with Kimi. But it's a good idea to actually go ahead and create an account before you use it to access more of its features. So to do that, you can see that login is an option. So here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and log in first. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go around onto login and then click on continue with Google, for example. And then I'm simply going to use one of my Google accounts right here to sign in with my Google account. So let me just go ahead and click on continue. You need to be signed in with your Google account for that. And once you do that, you can see that you have signed in. And now whatever you type in chat will actually be synced up and then will be saved onto this account. And in this tutorial series, we're going to see how we can work around with different generative AI features that Kimi offers. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.